Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is our research with the title An Application of GAMS to Solve Robust Capacited Vehicle Routing Problem with Time Windows. I'm Evi Yuliza and our team is Siska Oktarina, Ning Eliati, Fitri Mai Puspita, and Akmal. Our affiliation from Department of the Mathematics, Faculty of Mathematics and Natural Science, Universitas Sriwijaya. This research was presented on Sriwijaya International Conference on Engineering and Technology, Faculty of Engineering, Universitas Sriwijaya. Introduction. This research based on capacited vehicle routing problem and denoted by CVRP. CVRP resected by time windows is called capacited vehicle routing problem with time windows and denoted by CVRP-TW. In the reality life, we find an uncertainty data. It is discussed in robust optimization. This research discussed robust capacited vehicle routing problem with time windows and denoted by RCV-RPTW. This model simulated the problem of distributing gallon water and solved to software GAMS 25.1.1 and solved to heuristics method. One of them is clock and write algorithm. In this study, the optimal cost of the gallon water distribution problem will be solved using the RCV-RPTW model and solved using the GAMS programming language and the clock and write algorithm. The result of the calculation using GAMS and the clock and write algorithm to determine the optimal operating cost, then compare and analyze. Research method. This research will be formulation mathematics and solve using GAMS and the clock and write algorithm to determine the optimal operating cost of the RCV-PTW model. Result and discussion. The robust capacited vehicle routing problem with time windows model can be implemented in the problem of distributing gallon water in the city of Prabomuli. This problem will be representing in graph. It is assumed that the vehicle speed is 40 km per hour and the distance matrix is symmetrical. We are using two metrics, distance matrix between customer I to customer J and average travel time matrix between customer I to customer J. Service time and demand as shown in table 1. In working area has each vertex, not one representing that depot and the others vertex representing some customers. Parameters in using this model as shown in table 2. Variable in this model as shown in table 3. Operating cost per day as shown in table 4. The mathematical model of robust capacited vehicle routing problem with time windows on gallon water distribution in a sub-route in the work area is built as follows. Objective function, minimize that, and some constraints. The calculation result of the RCV-RPTW model were completed using GAMS software and also resolved with the clock and write algorithm, as shown in table 5. Comparison of cost optimization with GAMS and the clock and write algorithm as shown in table 6. Conclusion: the optimal cost obtained by GAMS is greater than that obtained by the clock and write algorithm. The robust capacited vehicle routing problem with time windows model satisfies the feasible area if the number of requests from customers does not exceed the vehicle capacity and meet the extreme areas of the time period. The results show that GAMS software can be used as an effective tool to solve optimization problems in the robust capacited vehicle routing problem with time windows models. Thank you for your watching and attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.